Hello traders, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to recap today's trading session. I went in today with a bias that because of yesterday's bullish move on the market, that today would be a slight pullback day, but an opportunity to perhaps buy a good lower entry and taking it in for a long trade. So I had my eyes on QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF. This isn't typically the type of trade that I normally take, but I noticed that on the higher time frames, as well as in the intraday price action, this was an area where I could possibly look to buy approximately around 484.50. So I quickly entered this trade once I got confirmation above about 484.90 with the goal of getting into 485 and potentially taking this trade to about 485.50, capitalizing on about a dollar move on the underlying ETF QQQ. As soon as I entered this trade, I realized one of two things. One is that it might have been wiser to perhaps look at buying just before the confirmation area of 484.90. And the second is that the premiums moved quite a bit, so I did overpay because of this candle. At one point, it was a full green candle when I got in. So what I ended up doing was quickly raising my stop as soon as I got to this candle, and I got tagged, took my loss, but I'm okay with that because it was part of the plan. If this does not follow through, it could likely come back down and test the 484 level, and I just didn't want to stay in the trade because then the risk reward would be off. I was risking about 10 cents, maybe 15 cents on the premiums and looking to make about 2 to 3 to 1. Of course, when you're getting in the money with your contracts, especially with options, you see the premiums move quite a bit. So that was the plan. Once I raised my stop, I knew that I had to execute, and you'll see that in the live recording. I hope you gained some value from this video, and comment and let me know what you're trading this week, how you plan to trade for the next few weeks into the summer season, and what are your favorite strategies that you look to utilize in different market conditions, especially in a bullish market that we have lately. Thanks again, and coming up next is the live recap. Stay tuned.